3, 2, 1. Let's start. Today is the day 2 of our Python course, so let's start with the solutions to day 1 problems. Python was released in 1991. Python has a simple syntax similar to the English language. Python runs on an interpreter system, meaning that code can be executed as soon as it is written. Indentation refers to the spaces at the beginning of a code line. Python relies on indentation to define scope, such as the scope of loops, functions, and classes. To check if you have Python installed on a Windows PC, type Python version in CMD. We can download Python for free from https://www.python.org. The file extension for Python is .py. We can quit the Python command line interface by using the exit command. For single-line comment, we use #sign, and for multi-line comment, we use triple quotes. Now let's move to today's goals. Python variables, Python data types, Python numbers, Python casting. Now it's time for today's quiz. How is a variable created in Python? What do you mean by casting in Python? Are variables case-sensitive in Python, and can we use numbers for variable name? What do you mean by snake case in Python? What do you mean by unpacking in Python? What keyword is used to declare a global variable? What are the 3 numeric data types in Python? Can we convert from complex to any other data type? How could we know the data type of any object in Python? Thanks for watching.